how ad interest works in Facebook ad targeting. So first of all, let's go straight to the point. Here in Facebook Ad Manager, first of all, we have to create a campaign. So basically, we are looking into this ad targeting free Facebook ad interest tool, in which you can get target interest inside your Facebook ads. So here we will be starting with sales campaign. We'll be clicking on continue. Okay, after clicking continue, you'll have these options from you. Okay, the main thing inside any ad tool, just like Facebook, is the interest we are going to target. If we are going to target the right interest inside the ads group, then will we have maximum conversions regarding any sales. So here we'll be giving it a name, ad targeting, and then the categories will be not doing anything, and then buying type option, the campaign objective sales, and then in the catalog we don't have any catalog yet. A/B testing, advantage campaign budget. Okay, here is our daily budget already set up, and then we do have these options, show more options, add schedule, and then next. Okay, in here we'll be selecting a website. Then if you don't have any pixel yet, you can, for the pixel, add payment, add to cart. Okay, and then we'll be basically moving towards the right point. In here you see in the audiences, here we'll be getting detailed targeting, just like here. And inside here in the detailed targeting, if you are going to browse, click on browse, you see we have demographics, interest, and behaviors. So this one is our key point: interest, business and industry, entertainment, family relationship, food, hobbies, shopping, and fashion. So we'll be going with this one. In the shopping, if you have any shopping website or product you want to get a sales campaign, then you will be definitely going for the interest according to your niche. So here we'll be targeting cosmetics, personal, right? So you see, after selecting this specific niche in the interest at interest, you see we have this interest sizes. This one, like this is about 9 billion. I think it's 9 million to 11 million. Okay, so if we are also selecting some specific in the cosmetics, so in here we will be now looking for cosmetics, and inside the ad targeting, so for cosmetics audience, you see we do have this Facebook interest, it is selected now. And in here you see we do have 133.6 million cosmetics audience size is of 34, 25, 35 to 44. So if we going more specific inside this cosmetic audience, you see these are the basically interest according to demographics and the gender and age, and then we will have related pages options available. So basically the main size of this audience is 13, you can say it's 130 million, right? So you can also see the main size of audience here 133 million, right? So in here, if you click here, add to list, you see connect your Facebook card. So here we have to connect our Facebook. Okay, our Facebook account has been connected, and inside the interest you can simply click on it and your interest has been added, right? So if you go here and now we will be again going into the interest, that is view cosmetics, insights, shopping and fashion. So if we are closing it, then inside the beauty there is cosmetics, so we'll be also searching beauty interest. This ad targeting is basically free tool, so you can just simply click and save the interest here. So beauty is 167 million, and if we look more into the related interest here, you see we have 99 results for. And in the suggestion, if you are going into the suggestion, you see we do have free interest as a suggestions available. Okay, these are the quotes. Suggestion and sports. There's more hidden interests your competitor are missing. You have to upgrade add interest in order to get more details. So in here you see in the beauty we just add this into the list, and in the list if you click here you can simply copy it and you can go to this list. So in here you see we do have option available here. So we'll be closing this one, and inside here you can simply you have all your interests that have been copied shown here, right? So this is basically how get interests inside our Facebook ad. And yet for interest other than these related interests for Facebook ad targeting, this is really important thing that you guys should have the correct targeting audience according to your ad group. So once you are targeting the right interest inside here and then additional interest, you see we can even also add additional interest. So this is inside the interest, you do have additional interest option available. So in here, okay, we'll be creating a new audience here, custom audience.